Hello everyone, I'm excited to introduce the new reservoir specifically only for the Lian Li O11Mini B2 case. This reservoir has been designed to accommodate triple radiators with the option to install 360 at the top, 360 at the bottom, and 240 millimeters on the side. It is suggested to only use up to 60 millimeters of combined space for the top and bottom, because if you try to put anything thicker than that, you could end up with a collision with the motherboard or maybe even the reservoir itself. It is also recommended that you put the ports towards the back side of the case, as if you put the ports towards the front, you won't be able to make any of the connections. The reservoir features an almost see-through machine finish to enhance the aesthetics. It is equipped with a total of 4G 1/4 ports, the fill port being on the front side for easy access, the inlet being at the top, and the outlet, it can either be here or here. You can use the drain port in either of the two locations. In this loop example, I have the outlet going to the bottom radiator. From the bottom radiator, it goes back to the GPU. From the GPU goes to the top radiator. From the top radiator goes to the CPU. From the CPU goes back to the side radiator, and finally from the side radiator back into the reservoir. Another feature of this reservoir is the LED strip that is located right here at the top. You can set any color so it can match the rest of your build. The reservoir, it replaces the original front glass. It mimics the same way how you mount the front glass to the reservoir. It has a couple screws at the bottom, so you will have to make sure that when you put it, the screws grab into the bottom of the case, and then you're gonna have two more screws that you're gonna need to put from inside the case. One is located back here on the rear compartment, and the other one is right here that you will have to put before you put the top radiators. The reservoir will require a D5 or a 655 pump. It will come in either two options, either with the white matte finish or the matte black finish, so you can choose whatever fits your case. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.